how to replace the rubber band in the rubber band Canon. From time to time the rubber bands are going to break. When this happens, they are easy to replace. Everything you need is included in this bag: spare bolt, rubber bands and an Allen key. You take the Allen key, take the bolt that is in the place where the rubber band is broken and turn. Undo that bolt, take it out, take the rubber band, place it into the slot, replace the bolt and do it up. You do not need to tighten this bolt. All you need is to get it flush and firm. Once you've done that, carry on having fun.